You are looking for deals on the market and off the market, and also you might have to be doing direct-to-vendor letter campaigns. So think about where you stand in terms of time and capital available to you. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Elsie, and on our channel we share property investing tips in the UK, also our very own project updates. So if you like those kind of stuff, make sure you subscribe to our channel, hit the bell so you get notified. Today's video might be very interesting for a lot of people. You might have clicked on this video because you're thinking of getting started in property investment in the UK, but there are so many ways to invest in a property and you don't know if you should go for a capital strategy or an income strategy. Capital meaning you just want to be, you're quite active and you want to be buying something, doing it up and flipping it for profit, or you just want to buy a cash flowing property and get income from day one. So stick with me because I will be going through 3 points which you can use to ask yourself and review to decide which strategy is best for you. So the first point is look at your own cash position and write down your lifestyle goals. So it could be you are a business owner, you have created a lot of revenue and profits from your very own business that you have built up over the years, and you have a pot of capital sitting in the bank. You can't wait to spend it on property specifically. In this case, you might be just looking for income, and in a way, passive income. I wouldn't say property is purely passive unless you have a really long lease with a social housing provider. But at the end of the day, even though you have rental properties, there are still some things that you need to take care of on a monthly basis, weekly basis. Property is not entirely passive, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to refer to passive income coming from property. So you have built up a business and you have a pot of big capital there waiting to be invested into properties. You might be looking for income goals because you are looking to sell your business, which then the revenue are going to be lost, and you want to replace that revenue passively from properties. So then you might be looking for just income property strategies. Another example is if you say you have 50,000 to begin with to start investing in property, but you want to grow it, and your lifestyle goals could be, oh, you are planning to get married next year, you need 10,000-20,000 to spend on your wedding, or you need 25,000 or 50,000 to put down as your deposit for your first residential home, or there is a big family holiday that you want to plan for and you want to be paying for it. So these are lifestyle goals that you can write down and cost them out. These are one-off costs which then can be paid by a capital strategy. So say for example, you can use that 50,000, buy a rundown house, do it up and sell it on and make a good chunk of profit on it, and then using that profit to pay for these one-off events. Perhaps then a capital strategy is good for you. Point number 2, you can let these two strategies run alongside each other. Most investors I know, they have a strategy that encompasses these two strategies all together. So for example, they would buy 2 single lets properties and 1 flip property, whereby the profits coming from the flip would then cover for the money left in the deal for these 2 single lets. We have done that before because this is a great strategy to combine both and make sure that you constantly have the funds to recycle and reuse, and moving the funds from one project to another, pulling the funds out upon refinance and then moving on to the next. Even for the capital property strategy, there are ways to generate capital apart from doing flips. You can be offering property related services, for example, sourcing deals to other investors or project managing renovations for other investors. So there are so many ways where you can generate capital from doing property. So in a busy market, when you think it's difficult to find deals, maybe think of other type of ways where you can generate capital from property related services. The third point is look at the time and effort that you can put in and what you want to get out of it. For example, your goal is to generate 100,000 capital in a year. Do you want to be spending your time looking for 5 property flips that would give you 20,000 flip profit each? Or would you want to spend your time looking for 2 big flips that would give you 50,000 flip profit each from each property? And Another example is if you're looking for income strategy, could you be sourcing a deal each month and make £3,000 sourcing fee each month for the time being? In that case, you need to be very active looking for deals on market and off market, and you need to be going out there to network with other investors because you are looking for buyers for your deals. So look at the time available to you. Are you in a full-time job? If you are in a full-time job, how much time in a week can you allocate to property related tasks? And also how much effort you want to put in, because if you want to be sourcing deals, you are not only having to put in effort to look for the deals, but also looking for investors to buy your deals. Whereas if you're looking for single let properties for yourself or a flip property for yourself, you are looking for deals on the market and off the market, and also you might have to be doing direct to vendor letter campaigns. So think about where you stand in terms of time and capital available to you, and write down your lifestyle goals and have a think about these 3 points and see whether a capital strategy fits you or income strategy fits you, or you have to combine them both. We are offering all our viewers a 30-minute consultation call. You can simply click on the link in the description box below if you want to ask more questions specific to yourself and you want to know better which property investment strategy is good for you. Do get in touch. Our diary is open to anyone who is looking to get started in property investing in the UK. So if you have liked today's video, make sure you give us a like. If you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified when we post new videos. See you on the next one. Bye!